So they say if you want to sleep well, this is the combo you will take. What I want to take now. If you want to sleep well, this is what you will take. So let me show them to you. So I have coconut shavings here. I have Debino here. That's dates. But I've removed the seed from these ones. And this is it here. Then I have tiger nut. What we call ayaya. I have it here, tiger nut. Dates. Then I have banana, carrot shavings. Then we have granite. Then I have cake. So on this cake, I'm going to shout out to Mommy Alexis, the beautiful daughter of na woman, na married woman of AIT. So of Mr. Dokpesi. So all right. Then we have yogurt also, coconut yogurt. This coconut yogurt, it also have coconut inside, but I still have my coconut. So if you want to sleep well, this is the combination you will take. Okay, I had a call that interrupted what I was doing. So now I'm going to combine everything and have it so that I'll be fresh. Yeah. So my guy is actually coming also. He said he wants. But yeah, now let me continue what I'm doing. So okay, I poured everything. I wasn't videoing. I didn't know it wasn't capturing, but I poured everything. The banana, the dates, the coconut, tiger nut. So now I want to put cake. I want to put the cake. Say hi to my viewers.
Hello.
Look at this handsome young man.
Hello, people.
Yeah, this is the CEO of. Tell them of your company. Tell them your company.
Yes. CEO Remote Ninja.
Remote Ninja.
Yeah, it's about to be everywhere.
Just
look out for it, man.
Yeah,
it's a remote job platform that brings all those opportunities that tech people in Nigeria don't usually have because of our IP. But it's bringing it to you. It's bringing it home. So it's going to launch.
His company will be launching soon. Remote Nigeria, bringing remote jobs to Nigerians, jobs that you wouldn't naturally get.
Yes.
Because of our IP. He'll be able to make them accessible to Nigerians. I mean, tech jobs and all that. This is an IT guru, man. You're seeing here.
Yeah. That's what's up.
Come on, let's go. So, I didn't show you at the beginning that I'm going to add powdered milk also.
Wow.
So I'm adding granules. They say if you want to sleep well, you take this. I don't say if you want to sleep with her well. I say if you want to sleep well. So,
wow, this is amazing.
So in this,
like a baby,
we have carrot. I don't know carrots here. Dates, coconut, tiger nut, cake. What else again? Banana. So I'm going to put coconut yogurt.
Where did you get this your recipe? What? Boys, it will be sweet like mad.
Yes, now. And bring it closer so that they will see it, so that they know it's not film trick.
Not film trick, real life. What? I should bro. We should be selling this.
This is my own parfait, Emeka parfait.
What?
I'm not finished adding. No, there's one more thing to add here. One more thing I'm gonna add here. Hey, powdered milk. Yes.
Never. You will not go nowhere.
I ain't going nowhere.
You ain't going nowhere. This is nice.
Come on, I need a bigger plate too.
You still smoking.
Let me bring powdered milk. What? Yeah, come in. Give me that milk.
Listen, the cake already has the place of this mixture.
So we're adding milk, powdered milk also. See, get me a bigger bowl, a bigger plate. Do I have a bigger plate? I don't think I have bigger soup plate.
This is looking very nice. What? I'm going to have to do this thing on my own.
Yeah. So we're adding milk. Omo, this plate cannot contain. No.
No, it cannot contain.
I need to get a bigger plate. I don't know. Should I divide it into two?
Yes, you can divide it into two. I will take one half. You take.
Yeah, but your own will not be up to half. Which one will you take one half?
You say it to two now. That's what you say. What?
I've not added enough yogurt as I want to.
Give my own. I'll add my own enough yogurt.
Okay. And bend it very well.
Let them see what's going on.
And see what's going on in here.
You can really see the.
You can feel the ambience.
Exactly. You can really feel it. That's what I wanted to say. You can see the ambience.
Let's add more milk.
Damn. But this thing, I've heard that dates and banana used to make very good manpower.
Yes, that's what they said. Dates, banana, and tiger nut.
Yes, and tiger nut.
That's why I say it helps people to sleep well.
Not to sleep with her.
Not to sleep with her, well, to sleep well.
Okay, I see.
So
now
let's mix
me.
the
I
combo.
want to ask you something.
Yeah, go ahead.
Like, if I take this thing now,
yeah,
I know I will utilize it properly.
Okay, like me now, I won't be able to utilize it, right? You see, that's the problem. That's the problem. my viewers are born again Christians. What they say, oh guy, you're supposed to be in church.
Yes, so I'm just raising the facts, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm gonna look at it.
I should not reach 50%.
Just look at it.
At least 49.5% of
just look at this.
I'm okay. I'm not a stingy person.
Yeah. Maybe like 10%. I'll give you the tithe of it.
Why?
Cake.
Why do this?
There is cake here. Dates, tiger nuts, what do they call it? Everything good.
The teeth cake, yeah.
No, the teeth.
You all didn't see me, okay?
This is crazy. Who wants this? Just come to my house.
Me? No, don't let nobody come. Cannot share. We're not gonna share.
My viewers will start crying.
Please, I can't wait.
See,
Could they do me? Could they?
Let me put your own here.
Thank you, sir.
This is your own.
Oh, no off. Omenuko. Nice. Wow.
Damn. Brotherly.
God, this is no.
Wait, you guys say you're not plenty.
No, bro. Lie.
You're not plenty pass my own.
Thank you.
All right. Okay.
Yo, folks, bye.
All right. Okay. So let's have it. Let me have the first taste of this. Heaven. Heaven, man. This is bliss. I'm not saying this because of content. So bye.